Fixing microphone not working on Windows 11 is very simple. For this one, first and foremost, we have to type in search, troubleshoot settings, then go ahead and click on it to open it up. And now all you have to do is click on other troubleshooters and find audio right here. Click on run, and now it's gonna go ahead and start to find problems for you. Now if this doesn't work, you can also go ahead and type in search device manager, then click on it. Once it opens up, you will see sound, video and game controllers. Click on the arrow beside it and you should see your microphone. All you have to do is right click on it and then click on update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers and see if that helps. If that doesn't help yet, you can also go ahead and click on browse my computer and then let me pick from a list. And now select your microphone and then click on next. And just to make sure your microphone is selected for the system, all you have to do is click on the right click on it and then click on sound settings. And here, if you scroll down, you should see your input, which is your microphone. Make sure to select your microphone, and if you see this little line move, that means you're good to go. Happy fixing microphone not working and have fun.